Hello, dear residents. Welcome to the Fire Safety Awareness and Fire Drill in Eden Park, Phase 1. Fire accidents can well be averted by the National Building Code being complied with and by following the safety measures. Absolute safety from fire is not attainable in practice, but most fires are preventable. The safest way to deal with fire is to prevent it. Overall, participating in a fire safety training does wonders to help prevent fires just from the residents being more aware of their surroundings and knowing what can ignite a fire. Each of us can contribute by doing simple things such as keeping the home and surrounding clean, smoking only in designated areas, keeping machinery properly serviced, storing chemicals and fire hazard substances safely, never blocking fire doors, sprinklers or extinguishers, and being aware of the combustion triangle. Therefore, fire safety is everyone's business.
What is fire and the three components that causes fire? Fire is rapid oxidation of material in a chemical process of combustion, releasing heat, light and smoke. For fire to occur, there are three components that are required: fuel, heat and oxygen. If we take away any of these components, the fire will be extinguished. Fire extinguishers work by the principle of removing one or more of the three components. Portable fire extinguisher work by eliminating or smoothing the oxygen from the surrounding area. Starvation is where we remove the fuel source, like shutting off the gas valve, and the fire is extinguished. The most commonly used firefighting equipment is water, which is by cooling. Water absorbs heat, thereby cooling the fuel where it is no longer produces any flammable vapor and cutting off the fire.
In case of fire, be calm and see if you can know the source of fire. Don't attempt to fight a fire unless you are trained. If the fire is in initial stage, use the right fire extinguisher. Inform the security and support staff for coordination with fire department and other emergency procedures as required. Try to keep the windows and doors closed, as keeping it open may further fuel due to more air. Press the emergency button on your floor and exit through the emergency staircase only. If you are an ERT member, then help coordinate the evacuation of residents in your block and assemble at the visitor parking area assembly point. Help call ambulance if a fellow resident needs medical emergency. Finally, last but not the least, store important and emergency numbers, display within home and train family members.
Today, we will learn about Eden Park Phase 1's fire hydrant system, its working and a drill. Fire hydrant is an active fire protection measure and a source of water. Eden Park fire hydrant system is automatic and self-activated whenever any hose or nozzle is opened. This enables fire guards and firefighters in extinguishing the fire. Fire hydrant system is the backbone of the firefighting system in any building. It is a water distribution system consisting of water tank, suction pipe, fire pumps, controllers, and a distributed piping system which is laid out around the building complex.
There are 24 fire hydrant points in Eden Park. Our fire guards will use the hydrant points and deliver hose pipe connected properly to carry the water near to the fire location that can be doused by water. We will now see the drill of fire hydrant operation in Eden Park using fire hydrant points, delivery hose pipes, nozzles. Let us now see the fire hydrant demonstration. Connect. Second person. Third person. Connect nozzle. Signal. Pressure अपना. In India. So this is the firefighting control panel. So this is the main pump, and this is the jockey pump. Damodaran, would you like to just tell few things about the main pump, when this will work and what is the pressure it maintains, and when the jockey pump will work and what is the pressure it maintains?
Yeah, this is our fire control room. This is our fire pump. This is completely working through pressure control. We have a pressure control over there and the pressure gauge is there. 10.5 bar, that is a default pressure. And the key pump is set as a 8.5 bar. And both sprinkler and hydrant main pump set as a 5.5 bar. Whenever there is a minor leak or any valve opening happen, jockey pump will switch on automatically and it will boost up the water to maintain that 10.5 bar. Once reached at 10.5 bar, jockey pump will switch off automatically. If any major fires happen, once we open that fire hydrant lines, jockey pump will start automatically. If jockey pump not able to sustain that pressure 8.5, when it reduces 8.5 up to 5.5, main hydrant pump will switch on automatically. Then it will supply required water until we switch off the motor. The switch off will be manually, it is not switch off automatic. In case if any power failure happen, we are not able to run both electric jockey pump and hydrant main pumps. The engine will switch on automatically when the pressure reduces up to 5.5 bar. If there is no power supply, also if hydrant motor not able to withstand that 5.5 bar. Engine will run continuously, it's auto mode only. The diesel tank is full, the day tank is full, and the engine will run until we switch off. Once the things are normal, communication will be given to the fire guard and the shift security DSO. They will come and switch off the system, complete system. Our team is fully trained for this and the system is working automatically and still is working fine.
Thank you, Damodaran.
Thank you, sir.
This is a solar system pump, main pump. It is a huge supply water pump. It is used for only sprinkler systems. In case any fire and basement level, the sprinkler will open and then the pump will supply the water product.
Thank you, Ganesh. I would like to thank our support staff, security, fire guards, CBRE for their exceptional talent in handling this fire hydrant system in Eden Park and maintaining to such quality standards and making our life easier. Thank you, team. It was a wonderful experience today to see ourselves how the fire hydrant works. Thank you so much. Fire hose reel system. Water hose reel drums firefighting system consists of fire hose reels that are installed on the inside of the building in the form of reels in a cabinets. These cabinets are present at every floor of the Eden Park, starting from the ground floor to the 13th floor. The length of the hose reel is 30 meters that can be taken inside the house during fire emergency. the water supply to these hoses is from the fire pump via main fire fighting hydrant line. It is essential you know the locations of fire extinguishers in your floor and how to use them. Eden Park Automatic Fire Hydrant Sprinkler System.
The fire sprinkler consists of bulb and deflector. The bulb is filled with heat-sensitive fluid. When the temperature of the surrounding increases, the liquid in the bulb expands, rupturing the bulb glass, and the fire sprink orifice is opened. Thus, water sprinkler firefighting system is activated.
So what you see here, Ganeshan is holding is a bulb type fire sprinkler, and the color that you see here, the bulb color is red. This can withstand up to 68 degree centigrade, which is designed for buildings and apartment complexes, and it is a mandatory requirement from the fire department. Today we will demonstrate along with our staff of Eden Park, our fire guards and our security and our EC team, a live demonstration of this fire sprinkler in operation, where we will induce the heat through an external fire, temporary fire, where the bulb will go off at 60 degrees centigrade, and the water sprinkler will be activated. So please put onto the sprinkler. Portable fire extinguisher type and its use. As per Indian standards, classification of fire are of 5 types. Class A is for wood, paper and textile. Class B type of fire caused from petrol and spirit. Class C from propane or LPG or CNG. Class D by burning of metals like potassium. Class E is related to electrical related fire. For each of these fire, there are different types of fire extinguishers that can be used. For example, water type, which can be used on wood, paper and textile, or class A. Foam type of fire extinguishers can be used on class B, which is petrol and spirit. DCP, or the dry chemical powder, can be used on all types of fire starting from A, B, C, D, E, or sometimes it is designed specifically for A, B and C also. And carbon dioxide of fire extinguishers can be used on B, C and E for liquid or gaseous fire and electrical related fire. Now, how to use a fire extinguisher? To use a fire extinguisher, there are 4 easy steps called as PASS. P is pull the pin in the handle. A is aiming the nozzle at the base of the fire. S is for squeeze the lever slowly to open it, and sweep from side to side to extinguish the fire. It is essential you know the location of fire extinguishers in your floor and how to use them. Let us now see the demonstration of fire extinguisher. We'll see the demonstration now using the carbon dioxide and using the powder. We have Ganeshan with us, who is giving the demonstration using the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. As you know, to use the fire extinguisher, there are 4 steps used, which is PASS, easy to remember. P is pull the knob or pull the safety pin. You can see the safety pin over here. The safety pin is pulled. Then aim the nozzle or the pointer towards the fire. That is the second step. And then squeeze the knob to open it, like turning it anti-clockwise, and then aiming the nozzle towards the base of the fire. So these are the 4 steps to extinguish, to use the extinguisher during an emergency fire. So we'll see the drill now. So the fire is lighted. As you can see, Ganeshan pointed the carbon dioxide gas nozzle towards the base. One more time, we will see. So Ganeshan will show towards the base of the fire, pulling the knob, squeeze, aim. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you, Ganeshan. Thank you.